In the Amazon, rain harvesting fills a 2,000-liter onboard medical-grade water purification system.
Total freedom. An integrated rooftop helipad deploys for instant luxury air scouting. When billionaires get bored of private jets, they drop 8 figures on the ultimate road fortress. You think you know luxury? Think again. What happens when an armored war machine fuses with a 4-story mega yacht built to completely dominate the open road? 4 cascading palace floors, private elevators, and pure billionaire energy inside a rolling fortress. Forget everything you knew about travel. Welcome to the Mercedes-Benz Colossus Imperiale.
Forget standard RVs. What you're looking at isn't just a vehicle. It's an 8-figure architectural flex. 4 cascading tiers, stepped royal balconies, and extreme locomotive engineering built to conquer any terrain.
Step inside, and a custom glass elevator glides through a 4-story marble atrium, linking every royal level. Up front, the cockpit feels less like driving, and more like commanding the bridge of a hyper-advanced starship.
The main lounge drops jaws. One touch, and an 8K display emerges silently, turning the suite into...
Level 2 is pure chef-grade perfection. Seamless quartz countertop, your next cross-country takeover. Sub-Zero Siberia is effortless. A heated 1,500-liter fuel tank powers non-stop Arctic dominance.
Endless desert sun. Rooftop solar banks feed a massive 100 kilowatt-hour lithium battery system.
Across the floor, the royal dining suite makes every dinner feel like a private state banquet. Solid stone.
Take the elevator to level 3 and enter the master sanctuary. Floating king bed, multi-zone climate isolation, and acoustic. At the very peak, the 4th floor sky lounge. Step onto the open terrace, command the horizon. The ensuite spa rivals luxury boutique penthouses. Full glass rainfall shower, dual Italian marble
Level 2 features a bespoke yacht-grade galley, perfectly engineered for luxury on the move.
Every square inch is optimized. A private dining suite built with sheer precision. Sub-Zero Siberia is effortless. A heated 1,500-liter fuel tank powers non-stop Arctic dominance.
Endless desert sun. Rooftop solar banks feed a massive 100 kilowatt-hour lithium battery system. In the Amazon, rain harvesting fills a 2,000-liter onboard medical-grade water purification system.
Go anywhere, survive anything, and live like a billionaire. This is true ultimate power.
Hit that subscribe button and join Billionaire Motorhomes for the most insane rigs on Earth.